Hi guys, and welcome to this channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can blending the overlay with Capcut PC. Alright, I'm just going to select my video to the track, and I'm going to add the overlay. So I'm going to select this from library and select the animation overlay available here. Just alright, put on top the video and you can see just merge it. And how to blend, you can select the model plane, so just select option, right, just this one you like, brighten, screen, darken, overlay, or alright, just select this. So you can adjust for the opacity like so, and here we go. So super simple, and I think this video, especially for those of you who are using Capcut PC for the first time, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.